How to fix the first Descendant not launching on your PlayStation. So the first step is you need to check for server maintenance. Sometime the game might be undergoing maintenance, so you need to follow the first Descendant's official Twitter account to stay updated on server status and maintenance announcement. Next step is you need to close the game completely and restart both your PlayStation console and the game. This simple step often resolve minor issues. Next step is you need to ensure that your PlayStation system software is up to date. Go to the settings, then system software update. Then you need to go for install any available updates. At the end, if you are playing a digital version of game, check for corrupted files. Go to the games icon on the PlayStation dashboard. Then you need to press the options button and select check for updates or check for content. If none of the above steps work, you can reach out to the First Descendants tech support for the further assistance. Hope this helped. This is how you can fix the First Descendant not launching on PlayStation.